Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's session, I would like to discuss about what are the editors available in Linux operating system and how to edit the file content in Linux operating system. So there are multiple editors are available. So example, Nano editor, VI editor or VIM or online editors are available. So in that, VI editor is quite popular because it is user friendly and it will provide more features compared to the other editors. So let's see what is the agenda of today session. So here using editors, we can create a file and we can edit the files, and there are different modes of operations in the VI editor and how to search the particular words and how to copy paste the lines, how to delete the lines, how to set the line numbers, and there are different shortcuts are there. So here are the few shortcuts I have listed out which we can use frequently in day to day. So here are the some shortcuts with respect to the cursor, with respect to the files changes or how to save them. So let's see how it works. Here there is a text file is there. See VIM test, see here there are some different content is there. Now first thing is, before going to do this, let me delete. Now before going to do this, see here there are 0 files. First, if you want to install, so there are apt install VIM for Ubuntu and yum install VIM or VI for RHL or CentOS or Fedora. Okay, so I already installed that VIM, and by default once we can create the server it will come. Okay, so if you want to check whether it is there, which VIM, if you can see here already is there, VIM -- version, here it is already is there. Okay, 8.1 is installed. Now see, with the help of VI, how to create a file. Example, if you want to create a file, VIM space test.txt, enter. Now see, if you want to save this, colon WQ exclamator, enter, ls space -lt. Now file got created. Okay, this is empty file. If you want to create that without empty file, VIM release.txt, then after that enter. Then if you want to insert the content, press I, then it go to the insert mode, then you can type the content. This is release file. Okay, then you need to save this file. Now what you need to do, you can press escape, then shift colon WQ exclamator, enter, ls space -lt. See here, cat space release. Now this is not empty file. And again, if you want to insert the data or append the data for existing file, VI space file name, then after that you need to press I for insert mode. With the help of that we can insert the data, we can modify the data, we can delete the data. Okay, so after that you need to enter the content. This is test file, this is second line, third line, fourth line. Okay, then after that, once you can press that escape, it goes to the command mode, then you need to save it. WK exclamator, cat space text. See here there are content is available. So once this is done, how to search the word or string in the file? VIM space file name test.txt, then after that /, make sure you need to press escape first, / line, if you can type enter. See here, then you can press N, it will go to the next occurrence where the line word is there. See here where and all it is available. the cursor will be moved actually. You need to press N. If you can press N, it will go to the second occurrence. Again, if you can press N, it will go to the second occurrence where and all it is available. Then you can press escape. Then again, there is one more thing, question mark. And again here, if you can give line, it will go to the top to bottom, bottom to top actually, backward search. Okay, so question mark means backward search and forward slash means forward search. Okay, if you can put question mark word, it will go to the bottom to top. If you can put forward slash word name, it will come from top to bottom searching. Okay, you need to press N. With the help of that, you can come to know where and all it is going to search it. And one more thing, see here, I'm going to put I, it will go to the insert mode again. What I can do here, line, okay, L-I-N-E line, L-I-N-E line. Okay, now see, now what I can do, I need to search it again. So forward slash line line, see here, only enter, only 3 words, 3 occurrence came. Here line is there, but the letter here capital letters, few are the capital letters, few are the small letters. This case, what you need to do, you need to put escape, set IC. Set IC means it's a ignore case. While searching that line, the line with have capital letters it's showing, or combination of capital letters and small letters also it's showing actually. Now see, forward slash line line, enter, see first cursor occurrence, see here second, third, okay, see here it goes to enter actually. Okay, this is how. With the help of ignore case, what this will do, it will show that capital letters or small letters or combinations. Okay. Now, if you want to set for the line numbers, escape colon set NU. See here line numbers cards. Then if you want to unset that line numbers, again colon set no NU. See here unset. This is one of the feature. And second thing is, see here one more thing. If you want to search and replace that words, see here colon percentage S slash, what is the search word? I am putting line, and after that I am putting end, and then G. See here, this is the syntax for search and replace the words or strings in the VA editor. Colon percentage S for search word, which word you are going to search it, and end with replace word. G means it's a globally. Where and all line is available in this file, it will globally replaced. Enter. See here. Okay, this is how you are going to replace it. Anything actually. Okay, 3 substitutions, 3 lines. There are 3 changes done in the 3 lines actually. Here you can come to. This is one of the very important thing. Then save. Now again, if you come here, now see there are where and all line is there. See, this is a capital line only we did. You can put up arrow, you can come to now. See here. Now what we can do, how to copy the lines and how to paste it. See here, I am putting the cursor here. First line. So if you want to copy the first 5 lines or first line YY, then you can put the P. See here, first line is copied and pasted. There is a duplication. And you can put the cursor again in the top. If you can put 2YY, and you can put the cursor in the down and P paste. See here. Okay, so all these things you need to be doing the command mode only. If you can put I, that will go to the insert mode. Okay, so that is where you need to. Let's see this I'm putting here. Is not visible, so that's what I am. Okay, so I want to see you need to see set and you can come to know how many lines are there. 10 lines are there. You can put the cursor in the first. See here, cursor I kept in the first. Okay, page up. See here, I put in the cursor first. Then after that, make sure 10 YY I am putting 10 YY. Okay, 10 lines anchored. That means 10 lines are copied. Where you need to paste. I came to 10th line and I can put the P. See here, small p I pasted 20 lines. Okay, now what I can do from 14th to 17th I need to copy. So 14, 2, 3, 4 lines I need to copy. 4 YY, okay, 4 YY. Then I need to put this in the top of the one, on top of the first line. Then that case you need to put the capital P. See here on the top it. So whenever you can put that small p, paste the below the cursor, you can put that capital P, paste the above the cursor. Now see here, there are 24 lines are there. 24 YY, 24 lines got copied. If you want to paste on top of this, okay, first line top, you need to paste capital P. See here. Okay, so like this, wherever you want to paste, you can paste it. So YY for one line, 2 YY for 2 lines, 3 YY for 3 lines, 10 YY for 10 lines, 100 YY for 100 lines. Small p for paste below the cursor, capital P for paste the above the cursor. Then the next operation is how to delete the lines. So DD you can press it, delete one line, 2DD 2 lines, 3DD 3 lines, 10DD 10 lines, and 30DD 30 lines. If you want to undo them, you can press. You can press U, those it will be reverted. Okay. So this is how you can delete the lines and you can undo the changes. Okay. So the next thing is, so there are some other, shortcuts are there. If you can see here, K for cursor upside, J for it down the cursor. If you can press J letter, it down the cursor. If you can put K cursor, K letter, it will go to the upside of the cursor. If you can put H for left hand, L for right side cursor, letter by letter. Okay. H means left side, L means it's a right side, K means it's upside, J means it's a downside. And one more thing, if you can put capital A, it will go to the cursor end and it will came to the insert mode. Okay, put the cursor end of the line and insert the content. Then again you need to press escape. Then after that you need to put the 0. If you can press 0, come to the cursor starting, and if you can press dollar and it will go to the put the cursor end of the line without insert mode. Okay, then after that GG, if you can press, it will go to the starting of the line, and if you can press Shift G, it will go to the bottom of the line. Okay, so these are the few shortcuts are available, and other than that, if you can see other shortcuts also. So apart from that, there are something. See, this is called escape mode. What are the commands you can perform after the colon? Those commands comes under the escape mode. In this escape mode, Q exclamation means without save, and if you can enter see here, nothing saved. And WQ exclamation means, so it will save that content, and again X exclamation also it will save the content. Okay, so these are the, so see here insert mode. So if you can press I, so it will come to the insert mode. Here we can insert the data. And second thing is command mode. So command mode means, so whenever you can press, suppose you are there in the insert mode, if you can press escape, that will go to the command mode. In this command mode, you are going to copy the lines, and second thing is you can paste the lines, and you can delete the lines, and you can undo the lines. All these things you will be performed. Let's see, I can show you. See here, suppose you are in the command mode now. If you can press I, you are in the insert mode. If you can press escape, you can go to the command mode. Now you can put the cursor starting of the line. 10 YYC here, 7 lines also, only there, 7 lines got copied. You can put small v, paste it. Suppose if you want to delete, see here, 2DD, 5DD, and if you can do undo, you can press U, it will undo actually. So all this will be doing under the command. And the final mode is escape mode. So with help of escape mode, here you can save the data and you can search and replace words. Why? Because what and all the commands you are going to perform after semicolon, sorry, after colon, those all the commands will comes under the escape mode only. Example, q exclamator, wq exclamator, okay, and you can see colon, percentage, s slash, string, and replace string G, then after that colon, you can press X exclamator. All this comes under the escape mode only. So these are that, you know, commands and shortcuts we can use in the VA editor frequently. Just go through this. If any doubts, could you please ping in my channel. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.